It doesn't get easier than this Cheats chicken parmigiana with smashed potatoes. Using just 5 ingredients, you'll have dinner on the table in next to no time. First, place the potatoes on a microwave-safe plate lined with paper towel. To help them cook, sprinkle with a little water and cover with another piece of paper towel, and cook in the microwave. Transfer the potatoes to a greased baking tray and squash them lightly. Spray with olive oil and pop into a 220°C preheated oven until they're light golden. While the potatoes are in the oven, cook the schnitzel in a greased oven-proof frying pan over high heat until golden on each side. Top the schnitzel with pasta sauce and shredded pizza cheese. Then add them to the oven with the potatoes and cook until the cheese melts. Prepare the salad kit in a bowl following packet directions. Serve with the chicken parmigiana and smashed potatoes. Bring everyone's pub favourite home with this super easy, super tasty chicken dinner.